Top 5 Chat GPT alternatives. 1. AutoML Video. AutoML Video is a Google Cloud-powered AI video generation service that can create engaging videos from your existing content. 2. Content Summary. Content Summary is a video creation tool that uses AI to generate videos from existing articles, podcasts, and other text-based content. 3. Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei is a powerful AI-driven workflow automation platform that enables users to create videos faster and with minimal effort. 4. Wochit. Wochit is a cloud-based video editing platform that uses AI and natural language processing, NLP, to automatically create videos from existing content. 5. AI Generator. AI Generator is an advanced video creation platform that uses machine learning to generate videos from existing content. That's it for now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.